Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can check our business intelligence of inventory. So for that you need to go to our intelligence module. So first of all click on browse module and you need to click on report and intelligence. Select that. Now in the very top you will see an option of inventory BI. Let's click there. Now this is your entire inventory quick snapshot. The very first is your inventory overview, which provides you your stock valuation, current available stock valuation as per the FIFO basis. So currently I have this much value and this much count. Now going below, it provides you the top 5 selling items in the last 3 months, top 5 purchased item in the last 3 months, with how many invoices have been raised along with the amount. Here you will be getting the stock level of items in inventory. It mainly works on your minimum stock level, maximum stock level, and also on the negative stock. So it provides a quick snapshot that how much stock is negative, and it provides the item name as well, which are in negative. Low stock, that means this is a point where you need to go ahead and order it quickly, because the minimum stock level is defined on the same and it is below that. So let's take an example here. 100 stock is in the minimum stock level, but current quantity is 0. That means it need to be ordered ASAP. Reorder stock, optimum stock are those stock where the stock is currently in a fine manner, but soon it will get over, so no sudden action is required. Excess stock are those stock which are above your maximum stock level. That means they will become a liability, so start consuming it and stop purchasing it. Now going below, here this data provides you the inventory performance, week on week, month on month, quarter on quarter, exactly how come the entire inventory movement going on, how much have been inverted, how much amount have been inverted, how much QC have been accepted, raw material issued to the production, or finished good received after doing the production, along with the valuation. Stock valuation. Now it provides you the entire data of your stock value as per age. Here you can check 0 to 3 months old, how much stock is available, 3 to 6 months old, how much stock value is here. This works mainly on your default pricing. Now next to the category, it comes as per the FIFO pricing. So here you can go ahead and check in the raw material how much stock value is available, in the finished good how much stock value is available. Same goes with the store. You can very well go ahead and check with the store as well, in which store how much stock is available along with how much value. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check your snapshot of your inventory, in order to go ahead and make your inventory management better. Have a good day ahead.